everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I am on a 2022 no spend. I'm going to give myself quarterly rewards, but this was actually purchased before the new year. So I squeaked this order in. It was like my one last hurrah because I saw a couple of things from ELLE'S studio. I have not been scrapbook shopping. I've not been looking at scrapbook things, but I ended up browsing there. I almost placed an order with Studio Calico, but I thought one order was probably plenty. So I just placed one order. I saw them and I just had to have them. So I am going to be doing Project Life, but a lot of times I'm going to be using the Project Life app. But just in case I need to do dates and stuff, I ended up picking up this set. This is called Mini Dated Extras stamp set. I do have quite a few of their like Project Lifestyle date kind of things, but I like this highlighted, documented, also this week and date thing. I do add dates to most traditional pages that I make, so I definitely could use this set for that as well. And then I also really liked this one. I wanted to do a traditional Project Life spread. This one's cute. Daily Details stamp set. I just thought they were super cute how they're like a little square and it's got different things. So each day of the week has details, notes, story, and favorites. And I also thought I could use this possibly in my planner because it's super duper cute. I just love the way that one looks. And the next stuff is just grouped up into two categories. So they had these, I'll show you like the first one. They had this labels stamp set and die set, and I am just a sucker for these. I use labels a lot on my scrapbook pages, and so when they have the stamp and die, you can make your labels in any color, any size. It's just such a perfect set. So when I saw this, this was the thing where I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have it because it's just so perfect. So I will be making my own labels. I just love the labels, and especially some of these that just have the little corners and they're just so cute. And the circle one will come in handy. I add just a tiny blurb of journaling or a little date on my scrapbook pages, and I just loved this. And then I saw they had two sets that went with that. They had a lined set, which is also just so good. You can add your own lines. I had a few words with it, but I wasn't super concerned with the words. I was just excited that the labels coordinated with the dies. And then they also had this one, star label set. And how cute is that with the little stars on it? I don't know if I'm going to use this one quite as much, but I just love the way that it looks. So I probably will end up using these quite a bit too. I'm going to try to just make a bunch of labels, cut them all out and have them handy. I've got these little drawer units like right in front of me. I'll show you. And I have one that is labeled labels. You can see I just put some washi tape on there. And I just love these labels. I end up using those long ones. And I've got all these different like little tag labels. I will be just stamping my own and making some labels out of my cardstock and just having any color because I'll flip through this and not find the color that I want for things. And I like this like ticket style kind a lot. So I have lots to choose from now, and I'm super excited. There's just endless possibilities. I'm trying to get items like this that aren't just consumable items. A sheet of labels is going to cost you a couple bucks, and then you're going to use it or use your favorite ones out of it and then have them sitting around, and it's just kind of clutter and built up. But these, I can make any kind, any color to match my layout, and I just love this whole set. So I'm super duper excited about this. This is the thing that I really wanted. I do have some other stamp and die coordinating things as well, but this set just looked so nice. The labels on these are just the ideal set. So I'll use my other labels and dies and these labels and dies and make a bunch of labels, and I'm super excited about that. And then this is just a number set. So I had seen they also have the alphabet set. So this might be something that I treat myself to on one of my little quarterly rewards. When I don't spend over the quarter, I will get something, and I don't have a specific like price limit on it. I'm just doing a no spend mostly to just try to use what I have, and also so that we can cash flow home projects. There's a big reason why I'm trying to take all that extra money that I would spend on things and throw it into home projects. So I saw this, actually this one, these little stripes, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is this black magic? And it is a die and stamp set. So I've got the numbers, it's the dies that match. And then the full number set, this is the large Jane number stamp set. So they've got the big numbers, all the punctuation, and the outlines, and then they have the stripes to stamp on top of it, so you can do two-tone thing. I thought it was super duper cute. They also have candy cane stripes, which are a little bit different stripe than these guys. And then they also have the alphabet sets in this, and they were out of a couple of the components for the alphabet set, so I didn't end up ordering that, but I may order that at some point because these are just like really nice chunky things. And I actually found that I just don't have a whole lot of numbers, so I ended up ordering some Freckled Fawn numbers and then these, and then I think I should be good as far as numbers because a lot of the alphabet stamp sets don't come with numbers, so I needed just a couple of really good bold number sets. I end up needing numbers here and there for scrapbook layouts. I was happy to get that set, and again, like, this is an item you can use again and again, and I'm just trying to steer towards that, steer towards alphabet stamp sets, alphabet dies, things like that that I can use over and over again instead of paying $5 for a sticker sheet that I can only use for like 1 or 2 titles. It's really hard when you run out of certain letters, and it's just inevitable. You always run out of certain letters, and I just wanted to be able to do stuff myself. So I am trying to gear towards more DIY than buying stickers and things. Anyway, that is my entire haul. I think it was like right under $100, so I don't think I did as much damage as I could have done. I love a lot of ELLE'S Studio stuff, so this was just a small snippet of what they had. I have not looked at their store in forever, and they had just so much new stuff from this past year, and it was super tempting to just go hog wild, but I really tried to narrow it down, just get the best of the best things that I wanted, and I am so excited about these. So I'm going to be starting to use these on my scrapbook layouts, and I hope you guys like this haul. So be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.